Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the OkCupid dating app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now in order to create your OkCupid account, here you can see the join OkCupid option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you'll need to provide your email address over here. Tap on this email field and enter your valid email address. They'll send you the promotional emails and discount offers on your email. If you don't want to receive that, you can check on this box and tap on this next button at the bottom. Now here you need to provide your first name. Tap on this field and enter your name. After that, tap on next. Here it will ask you to access your location address. You can tap on enable. If it cannot determine your location, you need to provide it manually. To select your country from here, you can provide the name of the city too. You can select your gender over here, and right below that you can select who you want to date and tap on next. Provide your birth date over here. After that, tap on next. Now create a password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. After that, tap on the sign up option at the bottom. After you create your account, you can go back and here at the bottom you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. Now you can use the same login credentials that you used to create your account before. Now you can enter your email address and your password of your account. And you can tap on next and you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can successfully create your account on OkCupid dating app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.